We've had these two Sub-Zero column refrigerators for the last 5 years, and we put the filters on subscription so that they're delivered to us every 6 months. It puts it on autopilot so we don't even have to think about it, and we always know we have fresh, clean water. The thing I love most about these filters is that they are so easy to install. You simply lift the Sub-Zero door at the top of the refrigerator, grab a hold of the filter, and turn counterclockwise to release the old filter. Now you're ready to install your new filter. To do this, simply lift the Sub-Zero door, put the cartridge straight in, and turn clockwise this time until it locks into place. You'll know if it's installed correctly because once it locks into place, it should not come out when you pull straight back on it. So give it a little tug just to make sure it's set. Voila! Fresh, clean water every time.